It seems that each of us is partial to a particular color. Our color preferences do affect our decision making, and this is particularly significant in a niche like interior design. It is not uncommon to find people who even fix their color choices beforehand and then hunt for ideas and inspiration that use only that particular color scheme. I am not sure if this is a right approach, because color is something that you can change around easily if you have a good eye for design and you have a solid concept for the space you are designing for. But so many people find this a bit hard to do, and I thought I would start off a series of color-based posts.